Good morning, all of you. How are you all? We all teachers are hoping that you all are very fine at your homes. Okay? And you all are doing studies well at your home. See, my dear students, you are not sending me the exercise number 1, whatever we have done in chapter number 1, question and answers. Why you are not sending to me? Please send to me so I can check it. Okay? And if you will not send me, then how you will come to know you are you are maintaining your notebook or not? How I will come to know? So this is my request to you all. Please, if you will complete the writing work, try to send to me so I will check. Okay? Yes. Now we already started chapter number 2, our food. We already started chapter number 2, our food, and you have seen 2 lectures of this chapter, and you have seen 2 lectures of the chapters, but I am going to revise all the things once again, so we will get the continuity and you will also get the continuity of the lectures. Why? Because we are recording the videos and you are watching the videos at your homes. You are not coming to school. Okay, so we cannot interact directly. So that's why we teachers are repeating the things again and again, so you can understand nicely, so you can get the proper link of the chapters. Okay, so once again I will repeat whole summary of the chapter, then we will go for next paragraph or next explanation. Okay, yes, chapter 2, food. When we will feel hungry, we always eat food. Yes, it is very much right, it is very much correct, and food gives us energy to work and play. Yes, this is also very much correct. If we will not eat food, how we will get the energy? Okay, so food gives us lots of energy to work. Okay, if your mama, your papa, they will not eat food, they will not get energy. Okay, if you will not eat proper healthy food, you will not get energy to study, to play outdoor games. Okay, yes, so food gives us energy and energy to work and play. Yes, in this chapter we are going to learn these 2 things: different sources of food and different groups of food. We will learn 2 things in this chapter. First one is different sources of food. Source means what? Source means साधन. कहाँ से मिलता है खाना? खाना तो खाते हैं हम. We are eating food to get energy, to work and play, but from where we are getting all these things? So we are getting all these things from 2 main sources. Yes, first source of the food is plants. First source of the food is plant, and second source of the food is animals, and second source of the food is animals. So when you will watch the videos, please repeat this line so you will learn. So you will learn, we get food from 2 sources. We get food from 2 main sources. First one is plants. First one is plants, and second one is animals, and second one is animals. I will repeat this line again and again. If you will not repeat, then you will hear, and if you will hear, you will learn. So I will repeat this line again and again for you, so you will learn it. We will get food from two sources. We will get food from two sources. First one is plants. First one is plants. Second one is animals. Second one is animals. Yes, and in plants we are eating all the parts of the plants. We are eating all the parts of the plants in the form of food. Okay, in the form of food. Don't forget this line. We all are eating all the parts of the plants, but in the form of food. हम किसी भी प्लांट की सारी पार्ट्स को खाते हैं, लेकिन उसको डायरेक्टली नहीं खाते. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड, खाने के माध्यम में खाते हैं, खाने के माध्यम से खाते हैं. लाइक रूट्स. Yes, we are eating the part of the plant roots, but in form of the food. But in form of the food, like carrot, radish, onion, potato, and all. See this we are getting from the root of the plant. So we are eating all these in the form of food from the roots of the plant. Okay, ये सारी चीज़ें हमें खाने मिलती हैं, but हम जड़ों को डायरेक्टली नहीं खाते हैं. ठीक है, हम कैसे खाते हैं उनको? फूड के फॉर्म में खाते हैं, खाने के फॉर्म में खाते हैं. देन स्टेम. यस, stem. Sugar cane and ginger is the example of the stem. We are drinking ginger tea, adrak wali chai. Everyone likes to drink. Your mama, your papa, and all. We all are like to drink adrak wali chai, ginger tea. So from where we are getting? We are getting from the stem of the plant. From where we are getting this ginger? So we all are getting the ginger in form of the plant, in form of the stem. Okay, then we can talk about the sugar cane. Yes, sugar cane juice. During summer season or in Nimad areas, we all are drinking sugar cane juice, but in form of what? Yes, it is the part of this plant in stem. Okay, and we all are eating this part in the form of food. And number 3, leaves. We all are eating leafy vegetables. Okay, like fenugreek, Spanish, coriander, mint, and all. These all are the leaves, and we all are eating in the form of food. Okay, you all are eating methi ka paratha in winter season, palak ki puri, methi ka paratha, and all these things, na? Yes, so we are eating this part of the plant in the form of leaves. Then comes seed. Yes, we see now winter rainy season started. Now which season started? Rainy season. And in rainy season we always love to eat corn. Yes, we always love to eat corn. मम्मी हमेशा गरम गरम भुट्टा बनाकर देती हैं, या पापा बाजार से लेकर आते हैं, या यू आर ईटिंग भुट्टे का केस. ओके, मम्मा इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यू. एंड विंटर सीजन वी ऑल लव्स टू ईट पीस, मटर खाना. इन निमाड़ वी आर कॉलिंग बटला. यस, हमको सबको वी लव टू ईट पीस. यस, मटर के पराठे एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, मटर पनीर, मटर की पूड़ी एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. यस, है ना? Then comes on fruits. We all are eating fruits, mangoes, orange, papaya, banana, and all these things. Yes. Then flowers. Yes, we all are eating flowers also in the form of food. For example, cauliflower is the example of this. Okay. Then most of the vegetables we cannot eat directly. Before eating we have to cook them. Okay, and some vegetables we can eat raw also. So raw means what? Raw means कच्चा. Okay, we can eat कच्चा mango. हम कच्चा आम खा सकते हैं. We can eat cucumber, radish, carrot, tomato, onion also. So this is the raw material. कच्ची चीज़ें हैं. Okay, हमने इसको पकाई नहीं है, हमने इसको कुक नहीं करी है. Okay, so some vegetables we can eat in raw form and some vegetable we have to cook before eating. Then only we can eat all these things. Okay. Then I explained you about the animals, food from animals. Then I explained you about food from animals. In this category, we all human beings started our day with milk. Yes, first product we are getting from the animal, which is very important for all of us, is that milk. Yes, we cannot start our day without tea. Yes, we all are very much habitual to have tea in the morning. So milk is the main product which we are getting from the animals. Yes, milk is the very much necessary to all of us, and we all are getting milk from the animals. Okay, we are getting milk from cow, buffalo and goat. These three animals are giving us milk. Okay, and we cannot imagine our life without milk. See, suppose I am giving you one example. Okay, if your mama will wake up in the morning, then first what she will do? First, she will prepare the tea for herself and for your papa. Okay, if suppose milk is not there at your home, then what mama will tell to papa? Mama will tell to papa, जाओ जरा जाकर दूध लेकर आओ, चाय बनानी है. So we all are starting our day by having tea in the morning, and we are getting milk from animals, and the names of the animals are cow, buffalo and goat. Yes, but people, those who are living in desert areas, desert means जो रेगिस्तान में रहने वाले लोग हैं, फ्रॉम दे आर गेटिंग मिल्क. उन्हें दूध कहाँ से मिलता है? सो दे आर गेटिंग द मिल्क फ्रॉम कैमल. दे आर गेटिंग द मिल्क फ्रॉम कैमल. एंड पर्सन दोज हु आर लिविंग ऑन माउंटेन एरियाज, जो पहाड़ों पर रहते हैं, हिली एरियाज में रहते हैं, सो फ्रॉम वेयर दे आर गेटिंग मिल्क? सो दे आर गेटिंग द मिल्क फ्रॉम yak. They are getting the milk from yak. Okay, so this is the explanation about the food from animals. But once again I will repeat all the things at the end of this lecture. Okay, yes, now it's time to talk about the milk and milk product. See, we talked about the milk. Yes, now we will talk about the milk product. दूध से बनने वाली चीजें. We all are love to eat paneer, butter, curd, buttermilk, cheese also, है ना? So we all are love to eat all these things. But from where we are getting all? We are getting all these things from milk only. ये सारी की सारी चीजें सिर्फ और सिर्फ दूध से बनती हैं. Okay, and milk we are getting from the animals. Okay, yes. So yes, sometimes we love to eat Bengali dishes, sweet Bengali dishes, and all the Bengali dishes is made by the milk only. जितनी भी बंगाली मिठाइयाँ हैं वो सारी की सारी सिर्फ और सिर्फ दूध से बनती हैं. Like रसगुल्ला and मिष्टी दोई and all. Okay, now it's time to talk about eggs. Yes, students, we are getting eggs from the hen and duck, and eggs is the very much rich source of the protein. Our body gets the protein from eggs. If we are vegetarian, we will or we have to drink milk. Milk is the rich source of the all these things, calcium and protein and all. Okay, but if we are non-vegetarian person, if we are non-vegetarian person, so we have to eat eggs. Eggs gives us lots of protein. Eggs gives us lots of protein, and we are getting eggs from hen and duck. We all are getting eggs from hen and duck. Now it's time to talk about the latest topic, which is honey. Yes, honey is obedient from honeybees. It is used as a sweetener. Yes, see my dear students, honey and honeybee have a very good history. I will give you some information about honeybee, honey and their hives. Okay, first honeybee. We call honeybee in Hindi madhumakhi. Yes, madhumakhi. And what they are making? They are making madhumakhi ka chatta. We are calling madhumakhi ka chatta in Hindi. But what we call chatta in English? Hive. We call madhumakhi ka chatta in hive. So honey bee, we will talk about honey bee and his or her hive. Okay, yes. So dear students, today we will discuss about the honey and honeybee. Do you know honeybee is very hard worker? They are very much hard workers. Okay, when they will make their hives, they divide their work into parts. वो अपने अपने काम को बहुत सारे लोगों में बांट देती हैं कि कौन जाएगा फूलों में से रस लेकर आएगा, कौन ये बनाएगा. सो वो क्या करती है? दे आर डिवाइडिंग देयर वर्क्स. ओके, सो दे कैन मेक देयर हाइव वेरी इजीली. ओके, देन I am giving you one more information about the honeybees. When they will make their hives, that time only one queen should be there. If there are two queens of a hive, they starts fighting. और वो तब तक लड़ती रहती है जब तक कि उनमें से एक मर न जाए. ओके, क्योंकि because they have only one queen. And they are sucking the nectar from the flowers. They are sucking the nectars from the flowers, and they are using their antennas which is on their heads for sucking the nectar of the flowers. वो अपना जो एंटीनास होता है उनके थ्रू जो उनका फूलों का जितना भी नेक्टर होता है वो सारा सक कर लेती है. ओके, and they can suck the nectar of the flower in one day. They can near about 40 to 60,000 nectar of the flower they can suck in one day. And when they wants to search the flower, they can go very far from their hives. वो लगभग अपने हाइव से 10 किलोमीटर दूर तक चली जाती है. किस चीज के लिए? फॉर सर्चिंग दी फ्लावर्स. ओके, यस. एंड do you know one more thing? They are very strong smeller. As like dog. उनकी जो स्मेल करने की पावर होती है, इट इज वेरी मच स्ट्रॉन्ग एज लाइक डॉग की तरह वो बहुत तेजी से स्मेल कर लेती है कि वेयर इज द फ्लावर. ओके, और वो फटाक से फूलों के पास चली जाती है और उन्हें फटाक से नेक्टर की हेल्प से सक कर लेती हैं. और वन मोर थिंग, ये मीन्स दे कैन फ्लाई वेरी फार फ्रॉम देयर hives, very very far from their hives. Okay, one more thing I am explaining, I want to informing you is that one honeybee, she can make only 1/4 part of the spoon in her entire life. Only this much part of the spoon they can make honey. एक चम्मच के 1/4 पार्ट के बराबर ही वो हनी अपनी पूरी लाइफ में बना पाती है. वो हनी भी अपनी पूरी लाइफ में 1 स्पून का ओनली 1/4 पार्ट शी कैन मेक. ओके, और हनी इज वेरी मच स्वीट एंड वेरी मच हेल्दी फॉर अस, एंड इट इज गुड फॉर our health. And one more thing, honey cannot spoil. हजारों सालों तक भी we can not spoil the honey. शहद खराब ही नहीं होता है. Okay, so this all information about the honey and the honey bee. Now we will come on the meat. Okay, see, we all the non-vegetarian people, they are having their food from the meat also. And from where they are getting meat? They are getting meat from the animals. Okay, they are getting their food from the animals. And people, those who are living in coastal areas, they are having the fish, jhinga and all these things. Okay, yes, now we will talk about the food and food habit. खाना और खाने की आदतें. See, in this category we are going to learn about the vegetarian people, then non-vegetarian people and vegetarian people. Okay, vegetarian people means people those who are eating only vegetables. Okay, people those who are eating vegetables, all the milk product, they are known as vegetarians. And people who also eat meat, fish, chicken, eggs along with the plant food, they called non-vegetarians. And some people eats meat. They did not eat meat, they eat only eggs, so we call them vegetarians. And some vegetarians do not eat at animals product like milk and things made from it. They called vegans. ऐसे लोग जो ना दूध खाते हैं और ना मीट खाते हैं, उन्हें हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ शाकाहार कहते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वाज द एक्सप्लेनेशन अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Then food groups. Then I am going to explain this page, food groups. How we can divide food in groups. Food contains different substances which are body required. And these substances help our body to grow strong, to get energy, to keep away diseases. These are called nutrients, and these all are the nutrients. Okay, in this category there are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and fiber. So these all are the sources of the nutrients. These all are the sources of the nutrients. Yes, in this category, first we will talk about the proteins. First we will talk about the proteins. From where we are getting proteins? We are getting protein from the pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish and meat. Yes, my dear students, we human beings are getting protein from the pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish and meat. Yes, we all are getting from the protein from all these things, and protein help our body to grow and repair. And when we will take more protein, so we can grow the body well, and protein help our body to repair it when we get injured. When we get injured, जब भी कभी हमें चोट लग जाती है, so this protein will repair our body fast. So this protein will start repairing our body. Okay. So where we are getting proteins? From where we are getting proteins? We are getting protein from all the pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish, meat and all these things. And don't forget, protein is very important for our body. Protein is very much important for our body. When we will get injured, जब भी हमें कभी चोट लग जाती है, so this protein will repair our injury very fast. वो हमारे घाव को जल्दी जल्दी से ठीक करने लगता है. So protein is very much required for our body, and we human beings are getting protein from pulse, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish, meat and all these things. See dear students, why I am repeating these things again and again, so you can learn it. When you will hear, you will learn fast. Okay, then we will read about the carbohydrate. Then we will read about the carbohydrate. Yes, we are getting carbohydrates from rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread, beetroot and all. From where we are getting carbohydrate? कहाँ से मिलता है? Rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beetroot. These all are the contents of the carbohydrate. These all are the contents of the carbohydrate, and they gives us energy. Carbohydrates gives us energy to work and play. Okay, and we call them go foods also. We call them go foods also. See, when you will be an athlete, if you want to be an athlete, you need more carbohydrate. If you want to be a player, अगर आपको एक खिलाड़ी बनना है, so your body requires protein and carbohydrates. Your body mainly requires these two things, protein and carbohydrates. See, all the players have the injury in their life. So कभी ना कभी उनको चोट लगती ही है. So protein helps to repair the injury of your body, and carbohydrate give you the lots of energy. That's why we are calling carbohydrate as a go food also. As a go food also. Yes, so from where we are getting carbohydrates? We are getting carbohydrates from rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beetroot. Yes, now this explanation is quite enough for this lecture. We will learn about the fats, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and we will talk about the balanced diet in our next lecture. But the little time is there, so we will talk about the fats also. Okay, fats. From where we are getting fats? We are getting fats from butter, ghee, oil and groundnut oil. Groundnut oil. Okay, and coconut oil is the contents of the fats. So what are the contents of the fat? फैट हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? So content of the fats are butter, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, and these food items give us the fat, and we are calling this glow food also. We are calling this glow food also. So from where we are getting fats? We are getting the fats from butter, ghee, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, and the items which we are made by all these things. So we all are getting fats from all these things. Okay, now vitamins. Vitamins are found in fruits and vegetables. Vitamins especially found in the all types of vegetables, all types of fruits, and they protect our body from the diseases. Yes, dear students, vitamin is the protector of our body, and we are getting vitamins from the all types of vegetables and all types of fruits. Yes, so dear students, we all learnt in our lecture about the food from animals. In this category we learnt about the milk and milk product. Then we learnt about the food habits. Then we learnt about the food of groups. So today we learnt about 3 things. First is food from animals, second is food habits, and third is food groups. Okay, so I will repeat the whole summary of the chapter once again. See, chapter number 2 are food. In this category we learnt about the sources of food. So there are 2 main sources of the food. First one is plant, second one is animal. First one is plant, second one is animals. We all are getting food from the plant as well as animals. We all human beings are eating all the parts of the plant in the form of food. Okay, so roots, stem, leaves, seeds, fruit, flowers and barks, these are the main parts of the plants, and we are eating all these things in the form of food. First things we learn this. Then we talk about the cooking. Some vegetables we can eat raw. Some vegetables we cannot eat without cooking, and some vegetables we can eat raw. Okay, as like that, some in this category cereals are coming, and without cooking we cannot eat all these things. Okay, and then we learnt about the food from animals. Yes, we are getting food from the animals, milk and milk product. We talked about milk and milk product. Then we talked about the eggs. Then we talked about the honey. Okay, and then meat, and last we talked about the food habits. Food and habits. In this category we learn about the vegetarian, non-vegetarian and vegetarian. Okay, we learnt about these 3 peoples. Then the food of the group. Then food of the group. In this category we learnt about the nutritions, and in this category I taught you about the protein, carbohydrate and fats and vitamins. These 4 things we learnt in this lecture. So I am hoping that you all are understanding very nicely. So it's over from my side. In next lecture we will learn about this paragraph, page number 14, fiber, and we learnt about the balanced diet also. So this is over from my side. Keep study at home. Bye bye. Thank you.